Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Ranger side mirror. Start by parking on level ground, disconnecting the negative battery, and folding the mirror in. Remove the interior trim cover with a flat pry tool, expose the mounting bolts, and support the mirror with one hand. Use a 10mm socket to remove fasteners while holding the mirror to avoid drops. Keep screws and wiring organized for reinstallation. Begin by gently prying off the triangular interior trim piece behind the mirror using a flat tool. Work slowly to release the plastic clips without cracking them and set the cover somewhere safe. Once the cover is off, identify the 3 mounting bolts and the electrical connector for the mirror. Keep bolts in a labeled container and plan to disconnect the wiring next, so the mirror can be removed cleanly and safely. With the trim removed, depress the wiring harness tab and pull the connector straight out to avoid damaging pins. Have a helper support the mirror assembly while you loosen and remove the 3 mounting bolts, removing them evenly to prevent stress on the mirror. Carefully pull the mirror away from the door while feeding the wiring through the access hole, making sure the paint and glass remain protected. Store the mirror safely until you are ready to reinstall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.